Another option or another feature of Google Classroom nga pang maestra gid kumbaga pag maestro gid pang teacher is this what you call the learning material na ginatawag naton. Okay? Now, ang learning material nga ini, no, if I'm going to click here sa classwork and going to create that one, is labeled as only as material. There are times nga kailangan mo masubmit sa materials in advance for study, for review, and sometimes for reference. Diba? Ang common yan sa teacher. Sa ang una, sa ang way pa niya ang Google Classroom, ang ginopisyon na is pirmi lang photocopy. And then, here comes the cellphone, mga estudyante, picture na lang sa photocopy sa maestro, ang maestra. Sometimes it's best for teachers to have a PDF copy na lang para ma-minimize ang natawag naton nga gasto sa papel. But here we're going to explore the purpose of this material, no, para pa mabalaan sa ang estudyante nga may ara resources sa ila Google Classroom para maging centralized na tanan-tanan. So let's try to explore the material na feature. Now, for example, may ara ka mo sang topics about for example, in my part, as just uh, this morning, nagtudlo ko party server. So the resources that I have, I took it from YouTube and from different sources. Now, sa title, butakan ko di Sir Power and Heat Management of Servers. And then I go to YouTube. Okay. And then here, I search for this one. Aring natipuhan ko gid ang parte sa Google Data Center. So I just took the link and then put it here. And then since it's a YouTube, no, it's a YouTube, pwede mo man siya kundi ang link and then you post it as a YouTube. And you're going to paste it here sa URL. You see? So there. And then, pwede makakadirekta diri mismo yan na by not going to this portion anymore. Pwede ka makarekta diri. No? Heat management for servers. Search mo na that. Again, it has its own shell that can provide you a small thumbnail, no, for the things that you are, for the videos that you are looking. So, ari nakita ko actually this one, data center HVAC, no? It's the cooling system actually in HVAC. And click this one and then add. Okay? And then there are also some links that I'm going to find, no? So, ang link nga ina di add ko na di siya. But of course, I'm going to search first for the terms na pangita ko. So, uh, uh, ang term to is server. There you go. Power heat management. Okay? So, nakita ko is this one. Hmm? So, piyaw ko ni, it's from Oracle. Of course, you know how reputable Oracle is. And then, add ko siya as part of the reading material naman sa estudyante. Okay? And then, para mabalanse ang kuhan, para hindi ko maging bias, sa iban nga model like this one, I mean from iban nga manufacturer like Oracle. I have also to provide from um, other sources. You see? So this one is a study that I would really love my students to read, you know? Because these are all industry, kung ano siya, mga industry nga mga notes, no? So ginadugang ko na siya. A link. Alright. So I'm going to add here instruction, please read and watch the resource, the attached uh, materials. You are given 1 hour to finish the whole materials. Okay? And then, topic, the topic, and this topic is connected to the midterm exam. So, bitaw the midterm material. There. And then, I'm going to post it for my students to follow through. And of course, after kay teacher, student ang malantaw. Tanong ta. Okay? As usual, you need to refresh, or if you want to do it the hard way, you can go back here and click this one or this one first, and then wait, then click it again, and then it pops out. You see, many ways to do it. Kapag click din niya, it's always the same, no? Across all students who has received this material. That's the idea. So every time I click yun using this phone, it will redirect to another application, and then it will going to it will going to pop out, and then the students will going to watch. Okay? The same is true here. Kung maglantaw man di siya, it will going to pop out. There. Just going to adjust the size. Kaya auto siya Just going to put it here. There you go. So that's it. No? That's very, very simple and very, very powerful. Okay? It will always put you into the butang ka sa browser or sa app nga kung din ma-redirect ang link para imo ma-consume. Okay? Sige. That will be all for the material na feature of Google Classroom.